Next, I wanted to touch on mobile friendliness. We touched on this a little bit already, but just to really hammer the point in, you definitely want your website to render across all mobile devices quickly and easily. In fact, like I mentioned before, Google has moved to mobile indexing first because most people search things on their phones these days. Not a big surprise there. So the best practices for ensuring that your website's mobile friendly is you want to test your mobile friendliness, of course, after you get your website done. You want to make sure that your website's responsive and displays correctly across various devices. And by testing your mobile friendliness using tools like Google's Mobile Friendly Test, you can definitely ensure that your website's coming up across multiple devices. There's several free tools out there on the internet. So just by doing a quick basic search for mobile friendliness check, most tools will enable you to just drop the URL for that particular page in. It'll do its little thing, try to see what it looks like across multiple different platforms, and it'll grade you accordingly so you can see if you need to do any other additional work to your website in order to maximize its rendering across multiple devices. So that's all I'm really going to have to say there. If you have additional questions, we'll have some resources in the group, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in there.